Duvolle sent me flat irons, so I'm about to crack them open and see what they be like for my birthday. And I love them already because they are pink. So cute. How cute are these? So when I buy my flat irons, I always make sure they go up to 450. I cannot use a flat iron that is low temperature. It's not going to straighten my hair. I hate flat irons that I have to pass over my hair more than 2 or 3 times. That's too much. Some flat irons you can pass over your hair one time and it'll straighten it. That's what I prefer. But there are some I gotta do 5 times, 6 times just to get my hair straight because the temperature is so low. So these go up to 450. You can see the little dial on the inside and it adjusts to the heat that you need it to be. I know it seems minor, but it matters because when you're flat ironing, especially if you're a person who curls your hair, like if I were to flat iron and curl my hair, I need my cord to swivel so that we don't get tangled up in the cord. So this is major. Y'all know we need ceramic flat irons. It helps to glide over your hair easier without burning it off. We've all seen the videos of people burning their hair off with their flat iron. So we don't want it to happen to our hair. So I'm gonna plug these up. We're gonna get them hot and we're gonna go ahead and get into my birthday hair. I'm gonna leave everything about these flat irons in the description box below along with the coupon codes. So let's get started. I'm quite undecided on exactly what I wanna do with my hair. I know I want to do a pony. My original idea was to do half up, half down with my dress. But the hair that I bought, they didn't have... I went to the hair store to get hair because this was last minute idea for my hair. I didn't know what I was going to do to my hair up until like 2 or 3 days ago. So I went to the hair store to get hair and they didn't have long hair past 20 inches. So I had to get some synthetic like hair, which y'all already know the deal with that. So... I can't put too much heat on it. I have to kind of let it live as it is versus trying to change the curl pattern and everything of it. So what I decided was I think I'm going to try to make my hair mimic that hair a little bit. And to do that, I am going to use a wand and try to make my hair, give it that type of look. But before I do that, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. So I need to flat iron my hair down at the roots just to make sure my ponytail is flat. So I'm going to use my flat irons to do that. And I'm trying to decide if I want to do a middle part or if I want to just take it all straight back. Boy, I like that you ain't no sweat. I could be tied up with cause and my strings. Flat ironed the left side of my hair and this side is my hair regular straight, and you can see the difference already. This side is so sleek and straight, it looks so neat, and this side is kind of like puffy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and then I'm gonna go ahead and get into the ponytail. You can obviously see that it's nice and flat now and there's no puffiness on my hair. And I don't want to put a lot of product in my hair because after I take this ponytail down, I want to be able to wear it straight again. So I'm just brushing it back to see how flat and how smooth I can get it without any product. While I have all of my hair back, I'm going to take my Eco Gel. I'm not going to use a lot of this yet. So I'm just going to take this really close to my edges. And this is my, I use a toothbrush for my edges, and my toothbrush is really ghetto, and you know, it is what it is. So I'm not going to really pay attention to actually doing my edges just yet. I'm just going to brush everything straight back. And I'm just trying to get it the form of my ponytail together. I'm using OG Spritz, and this is just gonna, like I said, least amount of product, but it's gonna hold. I'm kind of losing my light, but I went ahead and I used a wand and I put a few waves in my hair. Most of the times when I do hair, like, you know, add hair to my hair, the hair is not super expensive. If you're doing like a wig or leaving your hair in for like months or something, I would say, you know, you can spend a little bit more money on the hair. But me personally, this is coming out tonight, so, or tomorrow, so yeah. So she's 24 inches. I got her in 1B.
Ziggy X. They got one more problem with you, girl. Hey. Baby, I got love for thee. So deep inside of me, I don't know where to start. Yeah. I want you. Why can't you leave me?
I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna add some more hair on the ponytail. Alright, so I put the whole bundle on the ponytail. I feel like it looked better, a little bit thicker. And I'm just gonna take a little piece of hair out, and I'm gonna just take some spritz, and I'm just wrapping it around the pony. Nice and tight. Taking hairpins and I'm securing the ponytail. Alright, so now that we have the ponytail on, this is what she looks like. Now that we have the ponytail on, I'm gonna go ahead and work on my actual hair, and I'm gonna leave this up just like it is because this is gonna be the last thing that I bother with my hair. Now I'm gonna work on my edges and just perfect my edges a little bit. I'm not worried about them being baby haired down because I have that piece of hair that's gonna basically, that's you know, gonna cover my edges. So I just want to make sure they're laid down though. And I'm going to use my rat tail comb, but I'm going to use the tail part, and I'm just laying down the hair. I have the majority of my pony done, so I'm just taking a scarf and I'm wrapping it around just to flatten the ponytail. But from here, I'm going to move on to my makeup. So I will catch you guys in 30 minutes. Alright, so I just got done putting on my makeup. My earrings all dirty from foundation. I still have my scarf on, so I'm going to go ahead and take my scarf off now to make sure my hair is laid, to make sure our pony is where we want it to be and it is decent. So I'm sure I'm going to have like a line on my forehead. I'm going to have to blend that out. But our pony is laid down just how I want it. I'm going to just go ahead and blend out my forehead a little bit though, because I have this line and I don't want to forget to do it because that'd be the worst. So we are all done. I should have did my intro in the beginning of this video because I didn't think it was going to take this long, and now it's dark. But either way, y'all gonna get all of the situation that y'all need to get. We're all done. I love my hair, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys like this type of content, hair, makeup, beauty, let me know in the comments below. Please let me know, because I rarely make this type of content because I feel like it don't get a lot of engagement. So if you guys like to see hair, beauty, all that type of stuff, let me know in the comments below, or even just thumbs up the video. That way I know that you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace. Bye.
1, 2, 3, come on, girl. You know that I'm leaving. You know that I'm leaving. One last, one last, one last, one.